Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, shoe believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one started. Get you a little bit of small label box action. Let it focus. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Taxi in Black Cell, aka the Jordan 1 High Taxis. Go back and watch my videos. I believe I did the lows and the mids already. Get this shoe out of the box. Got this shoe, I don't know how long ago. I just never got around to taking it out the box. Like I said, I got too many pairs of shoes, guys. Got a couple hundred in here. I haven't even taken out the shipping boxes. But I got to get them out now. So I'm slowly working on them now. I'm going to get them out in no particular order, just as I pick them up. Materials on this shoe are outstanding. Like I said, this is another Jordan 1. So if you're still with the Jordan 1s, you either love them or hate them. It's a high. Like I said, just to complete the set, since I had the low taxis, the mediums, might as well get the highs. So I got a pair of the highs. Managed to get these in my size. I have some for sale too. There's a pair of size 9s. I think my cousin's probably going to buy this pair. All taxi bottom. Get you guys a look at the shoe top. Inside is taxi as well. So you get the black toe box, mud guard. Get the yellow taxi toe box. Same on this side, black to the taxi upper, taxi back, white bottom. Taxi on the back as well with the white and black breakup. Back to the taxi again. To the white bottom, to the taxi outsole. Side of the shoes basically the same, except you get the black Jordan Wings logo. Black Nike swoosh as well. All around good shoe in my opinion. A little while ago these were the sole. Normal Jordan bottom, just all taxi. These would have sold out instantaneous. Don't know what they did. Like I said, I bought them so long ago. I think they did pretty well. The taxis always do pretty well. You know, if you guys bought a pair of these, know what you think about these shoes. We know what shoes you're buying, what shoes you want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day. Like these taxis. Let me know what you guys think.
Everybody fucking jump!